Welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday from Mobile Initiative. When you get a new phone, it tends to make a lot of annoying buzzing and clicking noises that you don't really know how to turn off. We've all been there. We've been in an important business meeting and all of a sudden your phone just starts going crazy and making all these noises and you don't know how to turn it off. So lucky for you and your hairline, I'm going to show you how to never have to hear those pesky buzzing noises ever again. First, you're going to go to your settings, go to Sound, scroll down and click Advanced. And then once you get there, scroll down to Other Sounds and Vibrations. And there you'll be able to turn off screen locking, touch sounds, and dial pad tones and vibrate on tap. Go back to your home screen and you're done. And there you have it. No more annoying noises from your phone. Thanks for tuning in and see you next week.